Hey folks, today we've got another Akins Ford trade-in, fresh off the trade-in lot. We haven't cleaned it, detailed it, or serviced it as of yet, but you see it's extremely nice. It's a 2020 XLT, leather, center row buckets, third row, adaptive cruise, really nice. Almost brand new Michelin's, real fresh all the way around it. One of the most popular combinations today with the white and the black wheels with black trim. Car looks really good. Leather is in great shape. Everything is good. There's no issues, no problems. It drives like new. I just drove it about 10 miles and cannot find a single thing wrong with it. But we'll put it through the shop, we'll fully service it, change the fluids, clean everything up, detail everything. It's got one little broken piece of trim that we need to deal with. I'll show you that in a minute. And it's got two little door dings in it, which my paintless dent repair guy will make like it never happened. You can see one right there. And I saw another little one somewhere right there. So no paint broken or anything. He'll pop those out. You'll never know they were there. Third row folds down, of course.
Too little, too late. Peterson taking his time climbing in. Meanwhile, the 22-year-old
Power hatch. Really good looking truck.
Steamy degrees here in Atlanta. And the top of the first pitch brought to you by Schumann Farms. Look for Real Sweet brand by Dahlia Onions from Schumann Farms in a store near you. 0-1, that'll be slow.
Doesn't need a lot of cleaning. But we'll polish them all, apply paint protection, and just make them just as clean as they can be. Navigation, backup camera, adaptive cruise, leather wrap wheel. Really nice. And there's the piece of broken trim. This little side seat trim piece. So we'll get a new one of these from Ford. That'll be fixed by the time you guys see the car, and she'll be ready to go. We have great financing for great credit, so we'll get a nice low rate for you. We don't mark up our finance rates. We sell our extended warranties at our cost because we think everyone should have one. If you go to my website, you can see a lot more information than you see on Auto Trader or Car Gurus. Crash test ratings. You can see articles that were written about this particular year model car. You can see the factory options that came on this car instead of just like generic options. And you can always call me, Mike Stout, anytime on my cell, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.